2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. I'm gonna go check his AC. Said last year was struggling a little bit at the end of the year, so he says he changes the filters inside all the time. He says it might need a charge. So we're gonna go over there. It's a couple of towns down the highway here, and about a half an hour ride, I guess. I mean, I try not to go too far.
Turn left on Starrett Street, then turn right.
My truck's not designed for long highway drives. It's too heavy. And
turn right on Starrett Street.
I like to keep everything local. I don't need to be driving all over the place, you know. My time starts when I call the guy, so if I gotta drive an hour and a half, I mean, he's gonna pay an hour and a half drive. I mean, that's not really too, that's not good. So half an hour is not bad. That's about as furthest I'm gonna go. Anything more than that, they start complaining about it. So I don't need to go that far. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. Miss Molly. Make it a jaybird, Miss Molly. Make it a jaybird, Miss Molly.
What? Life goes on.
Yeah, you gotta make the best of it.
Yes, we do.
We'll take this cover off, make sure that there's no critters in here. Looks like it's a carrier unit, maybe. International Comfort Product.
What is it?
ICP. Same as carrier.
I see some of my foam is falling off too, huh?
What foam?
The foam for that goes over the pipes.
Oh, the insulation?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you get old, things fall apart.
Yeah, tell me about it.
Ain't that the truth, huh? Now, what do we got here? We got ourselves a little critter.
We don't.
Yeah, we do. It looks like somebody's made a nest inside there.
Oh, really?
It looks like an offender right there. He's crusty. He's crusty. You got any mothballs? No?
No.
Well, nothing crazy, I guess.
Boy, those guys can get in anywhere they want, can't they?
Yeah, little buggers. Little buggers. You felt it was a little wimpy last year? What kind of filters are you running in the house?
Oh, they're just the ones I buy down at Lowe's where I work.
You buy the cheapies?
No, I do not.
You should buy like the number 4. You can buy like a pack of 3.
Yes.
The green circle. That's what you should be running.
Okay, I'll write it down before you.
Yeah, don't buy the real expensive ones.
Okay.
Okay, because you're just wasting your money.
All right.
You don't want to do that, do you?
I don't have enough to waste. I thought I would.
Well, you don't care.
I had 5 kids.
Well, they know you got the money, so they're gonna hit you up for it, right?
They're wrong. The
kids?
The money. They're good kids. I shouldn't. to help out whenever they can. It's tough, you know?
Yeah, it's not easy.
They got their own lives too.
Ain't that the truth, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, let's put the gauges on it. We'll start it up. We'll check it, see what's going on with it.
Okay.
What do we got here? This is a R22 system. It's R22. Boy, it's a lot cooler out here than it is down where I'm from. Because you're down next to the water.
You're next to the water?
No, I'm saying you are.
Oh yeah, we're pretty close.
So what's happening is you probably got another 10 degrees cooler down here by the water because the water's so cold still.
I believe it. We always get a breeze in the afternoon, you know?
Well, what happens is it starts warming up everywhere else. But down next, the house is down on the water. Takes another week because the water's so cold.
Right.
The water stays cold for a while, right? Because it's so deep.
Yep. Yep.
It says 75 out here.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
I don't believe it, do you?
I think so.
But that's not in the wind. I don't know.
Well, what does the wind have to do with anything? All right, go start it up. Well, that's a noisy bugger. It's on R22 there. Keep an eye on his suction pressure. That's lower than 60 there. Let's see what our wet bulb's inside at. 62 on a wet bulb. Still need to be about 15, so we're going to put some in it. Now, where'd you get my number?
I just phone book. That's the best there.
I'm gonna put a little juice in there, give it a little gundy. You got a garden hose here. I can hit this coil on the way out, this outside coil. It don't hurt to hose it off every so often, you know. It's getting all kind of crusty from the salt air, you know.
Yep.
Starting to drop here. Someone's been peeing. You can see down the bottom here, someone's been peeing on this thing. Probably a dog. It's not the greatest. See down there how it's all green? Someone has been pissing down there. See it? How it's all kind of like corroded and stuff? Most likely it's been like a dog or a critter or something. We gotta hit this coil on the way out. And that subcoolant should come down a little bit. This is looking better already. Give it a little bit more. Yeah, good pride in there. So we said 15, that's right where we're at there now, so we're good. Ton R22 ICP. It don't hurt to rinse this thing off every so often, you know. Keep it clean. That's what my job's for, right? I already got the back over there. I'll bring the subcoolant down. I said I'll bring the subcoolant down. Yeah, I don't know what was pissing down there, but something was for sure. Alright, you can shut it off inside now. Soft sound. I don't think that they got the right wording for this thing. Here when it started up.
Yeah.